Do you say things like I'm very fine today or can you please repeat that again? Guess what? Native speakers almost never say like that. Today I will show you 10 phrases to stop using and what to say instead, so you sound more fluent and more natural in English. Hi friends, I'm Jaam and this is TST Learning English. I help you speak real and confident English with videos that are short, fun and very practical. Let's jump into 10 phrases to stop using and their natural versions. I will show you what English learners say and what native speakers usually say. Let's go. I am very fine. I'm good. Or I'm doing well. Can you repeat again? Can you say that again? Or could you repeat that? Repeat again is redundant. I don't have money. I'm broke. A casual way to say it. I am agree. I agree. No need for am. It's a verb. Open the light. Turn on the light. Open the light is a direct translation from other languages, not English. I am boring. I'm bored. You are saying you make other people bored otherwise. I didn't went. I didn't go. After did, always use the best form of the verb. Let us go to home. Let's go home. There is no need for to with home. I have 25 years. I'm 25 years old. He do his homework. He does his homework. Don't forget the is with he, she, it. And now a mini quiz. I will say a sentence and you say whether it's right or wrong. Ready? Let's go. I didn't went to school. He do his job. Let's go home. How many of these have you said before? Be honest. And tell me in the comments which one surprised you the most. And of course, if you learned something today, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and do share this video with your friends and subscribe to the TST Learning English channel. Okay? See you in the next video. And remember, do not speak like a robot. Speak real. Bye bye.